Welcome to 40 Sawmill Lane in Mountain View. We're taking a look at a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath for rent. It's the end unit here. Let's take a look. As we enter, we have the living room, hardwood floors, recessed lights, and new 2-inch blinds. Through here we have the dining area and the kitchen. Kitchen's equipped with a dishwasher, nice wood cabinets. In the pantry here we have the washer and dryer. Back through the sliding glass door we have the private backyard, and this is where you find the parking as well. You have a carport on the right and then a single car garage on the left. On the first floor there is a half bath. Moving upstairs we have all new flooring, which is a beige LVT hardwood. So starting with the master, recessed lights, and a private full bath. We have the second of 4 bedrooms. The third of 4 bedrooms. And the fourth and final bedroom. All on the top floor with fresh paint and new floors, and the hall full bath.